We are AutoQuip, the lift leader. How to make your AutoQuip lift even smarter? AQ Connect is your high-tech solution to lift controls. We know manufacturers are facing rising demands and increased complexities in their processes to move materials. So how does AQ Connect make your lift smarter? First, it's a system built to provide you with total control. AQ Connect helps to identify potential issues before they occur, proactively and urgently. An easy-to-read HMI screen displays important information, like an open door or gate. We also added a comprehensive fault detections alert system. This system helps you identify and solve issues quickly to improve employee safety. This easy-to-use cloud-based technology and custom dashboard allows you to monitor your lift's performance anywhere and anytime. AQ Connect is 100% programmable to integrate multiple tasks into a single control system. Our controls division will work with you to design and implement your business's requirements. AutoQuip delivers legendary quality, innovation, and support. Everything you would come to expect of the lift leader. Visit AutoQuip.com to begin your quote for AQ Connect.